Are we stupid going out today?
Yeah.
No one else is. There's no one here.
He's a hard night, he's doing it. How's that? You good?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Sorry I'm late. 19 minutes.
19 minutes late?
Yeah.
I already factored in you were going to be late, so I turned up late. But
By how long?
You were still like 10 minutes.
So 9 minutes late.
Yeah.
So yeah, I was looking at frog memes again.
Frog memes.
So I was late to meet Lawrence yesterday.
They're not funny.
Yes, they are.
So it's 1 degree. Video number 1000 and something. I literally don't know anymore. We're going to ride bikes in that direction.
You should do like...
It's really cold. This is the quietest I've seen the park in so long. It's quite nice, isn't it?
Just like end the series and start series 2, episode 1, so you can just keep count of it.
Well, because it's too hard now.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure this is 1023.
Have you ever got it wrong and then all your viewers call you out on it?
Yeah, I don't know how they keep count.
Leftover breakfast from this morning. Nutella sandwich.
It looks well nice.
Like completely, it looks like it's been dipped in water. Can I wipe it on your fluffy thing?
No, well, I don't think it's... This fluffy thing has been going for a while. It's probably got loads of stuff on it, like just general
cornflakes and stuff.
I've been riding with different people for the last few weeks who don't stop as much. I thought I'd come back and do some Harry riding.
Okay, today we don't
Harry
stop.
riding?
Today you suffer.
What?
Today you suffer.
We've already stopped. Twice. And you were late. So we're actually riding pretty hard today, and I want to because there's something that I can't announce quite yet that Harry knows about. Is it cool?
Yeah, it is very cool.
Yeah. I can't quite talk about it yet because it hasn't been signed off fully by the people who are helping organise it.
Gravel riding on Mars.
Gravel riding on Mars. That's what it is.
Basically
it means I need to get fit in the next few months, and I'm actually going to have some help from Coach Ken to do so. It's going to mean some turbo, it's going to mean some riding in this, but it will be worth it. And when you find out, I'm sure a lot of you guys will be excited as well.
Very good, much excited. Very nice. This is going in the back pocket. Oh my goodness! This tries to kill us! That's why these gloves have like this thing here.
For what?
This waterproof bit. So you can like snot away, it doesn't go on your glove properly.
I doubt that's what it's for, but yeah, okay. Let's go with it.
Yeah. It says rain lab, but it means snot lab.
Every day I clean my bike, mate. And then every day I ride it up this road that's got a river running down it. And then I have to clean it again. Well, what's the point?
What's the point of life?
Cleaning bikes.
Yeah, I don't know anymore.
I told you the fog would come back.
It's beautiful.
Harry was so excited to go to Pease Lake. He was like, oh, it's going to look so good with the fog. And then we were riding and the fog went away. We lost the fog, but it's all right because the fog's back. I'm not making any sense. This is quite a steep hill. It's like the thing you do with your hands, but with your legs. So how many of you guys watch my old mate Tyler's YouTube channel, Vegan Cyclist? We spent some time with him when we rode through America last time we went, and at the moment he's doing something pretty cool. Bit of a shout out to him, check him out. He's vlogging every single day while training like a pro for 30 days. So a big undertaking. The videos are also like 20 minutes long. I'm not really sure how he's doing it, but he's juggling a lot of life things and his work as well. Definitely worth checking out the series because it's just insane what you can do if you manage your time carefully. I can definitely sympathise because my workload's up there, but not quite as hard as what he's doing. So link down below if you want to check it out. My face isn't working properly.
Below link down, check link out. Out link check down. Stupid cunt. Ah!
You're right, mate.
No. There we go, it's done.
I'm sort of glad someone else is experiencing the struggles of making videos on a bike ride. No one would predict that things would get too foggy and you wouldn't be able to see out of the lens.
You can't,
It happens quite a lot. Sometimes it's hot outside and you go in the cool and then it does it. Sometimes it's cool outside and you go in the warm and it does it.
Either way, cannot win. Ah, no.
Yeah, clean your really expensive lens with that sweaty.
What do I clean it with?
Lens cleaner.
Well, now, what do I clean it with? Leaf it out.
I stopped here with Jake before to look at the view. It's one of the best views in Surrey.
It is a very nice view, isn't it? How far do you reckon I can get with my eyes closed? How far do you reckon I can get with my eyes closed? I'm so tired.
Coffee is a language.
What language? How do you think it sounds?
Coffee. Yeah, I was going to
Did
ask
it descend from Latin or Arabic? Arabic? So tired.
1 degree and foggy and he turns up without any shoe covers. But they're not white anymore, are they?
They're textured now.
Let's go get you a coffee.
Yeah, I've like got into this trance, I can't.
I think there's a reason why nobody's out cycling today.
Yeah.
It's very warm.
It's cold.
Because it's cold, mate. Now, some of you guys might remember I did a bike cleaning video like 6 months ago. It was warm and I'd almost always use washing up liquid to clean my bikes because it's just easy. You've already got it. I've got to say though, I've been using the pink muck off stuff. I think this is just standard muck off for the last couple of months and I am well impressed. It is definitely the easiest way, least effort way to clean your bike, but definitely not the cheapest. And you've got to do a little bit of extra maintenance because whatever this stuff is, there's some mega degreaser in here. If you put this on your chain and cassette, you're stripping out all of the lube you've put on, so you have to make sure you reapply it after that. That's one thing I noticed, but it also makes cleaning those parts way easier than if you're using washing up liquid, which you have to put a bit of elbow grease into it, you know? But yeah, if convenience and speed is what you want, and when it's 1 degree, I want that, then thoroughly recommend. I haven't been paid to say this, I just bought this and have been trying it for the last few weeks. Oh man. As always, a big thank you for watching today's video. I'm going to put a link down below to Harry's YouTube channel. He has currently made 1 video, continuing the trend of promoting other people's YouTube channel in today's video. I think he's going to be making his own edit from today with his very blurry lens, and we've swapped some GoPro footage and stuff, so it should come out nice. Please give him some support. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. I'm wrecked.